There is so much happened since the last episode. For example, we have new missiles, hypersonic missiles in Middle East, and a lot of conflict between Iran and Israel. So let's hope for the peace for that, honestly. But let's go back for our business. So in this episode, we have amazing news in Unreal Engine 5.5, for example. We have Unity 6, we have SpeedTree 10, and we have amazing AI news and more. Let's see it. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome to my channel. Okay, as I said before, we are going to cover anything new related to simplicity, speed, and quality in the same time. So this series will remind me in the first place to keep up with the future and not left behind. So let's begin. So the first one is SpeedTree 10. This is new version of SpeedTree, my favorite software to create creation tree. And you see this is have a trim tool and a lot of feature. You can check it out. Let's go Epic. Epic will launch this unified marketplace called Fab in October. This is including Quixel Megascan and Sketchfab, my favorite place for 3D model, and etc. So keep eye on that. Speaking of Epic, we have new Unreal Engine 5.5 with an awesome feature. For example, we have Mega Light. This is my favorite feature. This is basically handling the light, area light specifically, with this amazing texture and this environment. Wow, that's awesome. And matter of fact, let me show you part of this demo. This is mesmerizing, honestly. Let's see it.
For the day. Let's turn on some of these shop fronts and see what's for sale. There's something missing though. The scene, it's flat, it's undefined. Let's turn on shadows, but not just for a few important lights, for every single light in the entire view. Now, the density of light sources you see here, it's extremely high. And this is what you get when artists are working playfully, without limitation. Okay, let's go back to the scene.
So, that's amazing, as you can see. You see, this environment is mesmerizing. It's full of area light. This is done with Mega Light. I don't have any detail, but this is basically Mega Light with this amazing shadow. Wow. Cool, Unreal Engine. So we have Unity 6 coming with this awesome cinematic showcase. You see, this soldier, it's done with Unity 6 and it's promising, honestly. You see that? Wow, with all the texture and the environment. Yeah, it's promising, honestly. And I love Unity 6 because it's so simple to use, honestly. It's built based on that. And you see, with all this environment, that's cool, honestly. And as you can see, this is the new UI in Unity 6. And this is done by the user. And yeah, it's not bad, honestly. So this is Unity 6. Speaking of Unity, we have Zebra AI for Unity. You see this amazing smoke and the environment. Wow, this reflection, cool. And we have Zebra in VR. You see, this is real time. Wow. Do you believe that? The future will be interesting, honestly. And this car, you see, that's awesome. So this is Zebra AI. So if you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. By the way, we have this amazing digital asset creating destruction and paint in 3D environment. So you can check it on my Patreon, and we have cool stuff on my Patreon. And big shout out for these amazing people. Thank you guys for supporting me. Let's proceed. We have Spark in SIGGRAPH 2024. As you can see, this is for visual effect, and it's cool for tracking 3D face by the footage. You see, Wow, that's amazing, honestly. It will replace, I guess, the Keen tools, for example. Wow, cool. So let's go for OpenAI O1. They developed a new series of AI model designed to spend more time thinking before they respond. So the big issue with LLM or large language model is struggling with the logic or reasoning in general. Physical stuff, for example. So this one, it will fill that gap. And as you can see, the users done such an amazing thing with it. You see, this is O1 preview, and they built these amazing 2D games. You see that? That's awesome, just with AI. So the future is promising, honestly. And this first-person shooter, this is done with O1 OpenAI. I don't know, that's amazing, honestly. The jobs or business are shifting. AI model now have a community for their own. Do not believe me? Let me show you.
Hey, I'm Robert. I'm excited to introduce Project SID, the first ever agent civilization. 1,000 agents collaborating for days, performing any action with emergent government, economy, culture, religion, and more. SID starts in Minecraft, but we are already going beyond.
So as you can see, this is the AI agent model based on the open source AI model, or not open source specifically. For example, they have a community, amazing community. They talk with each other, live with each other, and they have their own economy. This priest, so funny, honestly. So this is their world, AI models. So this was Project SID or SID. If you're interested, just Google up. The next one about KlingAI. KlingAI has a new update, brush movement. You see, rather than we have an image as an input, we can draw and let's say a line to define the movement. Wow, this is so amazing. Now you can have more control for your result. That's awesome, honestly. Speaking of KlingAI, now has a lip sync update. Let's hear it.
I will weep for thee, for this revolt of mine is as a bank-breaking flood.
Don't do that.
See that? That's awesome. Runway video to video has gone wild, honestly. You see that? This is showcase. Now you can guide your result based on video, and with that, you see, I don't know it's composite their footage or not, but yeah, I don't know, this is amazing. And with that, who knows, maybe in the future we can create our own world with this quality and simplicity. You see, this is live feedback by AI. Wow, that's amazing. You can create anyone and live with that, you see? This is the first gen, honestly, but future will be promising. So, until the next one, peace out. Goodbye.